Do you know about this fruit? This is olives, one of the basic ingredients for making oil. In this video, Rossi Tech will invite you all to see an olive plantation. We need to know that olives are one of the ingredients for making oil. We need to know that the content of olive oil is much better than oil from palm oil. Olives are quite popular in Middle Eastern countries and some European countries. Olives are small fruits that grow on olive trees, which belong to a group of fruits called drupes, or stone fruits. Olives can actually be eaten right after they are picked. However, it has a characteristic bitter taste. Maybe we are more familiar with finished products from olives, such as olive oil, pickled olives, and others. Pickled olives have many benefits for those who consume them. In addition to food, olive oil is also used in various cosmetic industry products. The olive tree is a tree that can be thousands of years old. Even from the time of the Prophet it was popular. The largest producer of olives in the world, including Tunisia, Turkey, Morocco, Greece, Italy, to Spain. Olive trees can thrive and have a long life in cool, cold climates and long summers. Let's just take a look at the olive plantation process. The first thing that farmers do is cultivate the land. The location of the olive plantation must be able to provide full direct sun needs throughout the day. Olive trees are classified as trees that are difficult to cultivate through their seeds. Thus, to meet the needs of olive seedlings on a large scale, using tissue culture techniques and also cuttings. These olive seedlings are treated intensively in a greenhouse until they reach a height of about 1 meter. Despite having a dry habitat, in their growing period, olive tree seedlings need a lot of water. So, a drip irrigation system was made to support the growth of olive seedlings. During their growth period, olive trees require watering, fertilizing, and pruning branches. Pruning these branches aims to maximize the growth of the main stem. Meanwhile, to cope with pest attacks, it is necessary to spray pesticides or insecticides. Olive trees are planted from seeds, starting to bear fruit around the age of 5 years. Meanwhile, olive trees from cuttings or grafts begin to bear fruit after 2 years. The process of harvesting olives can be done manually or can also use a machine. There are many ways to harvest olives. However, it is generally divided into 3 types. namely, traditionally, semi-automatic, and fully automatic. There are many types of olive harvesting machines. However, we only discuss a few machines. The first is an automatic olive harvester. With this machine, harvesting can be done quickly and easily. This harvester machine has a concept like bat wings. And here are some examples of other olive harvesting processes. And the following is an example of processing olives. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully, it can add to our knowledge and insight.